Hey everyone, today let us understand something incredibly important for every parent or caregiver on the road, child occupant protection, and what it really takes to keep the kids safe in the car. Protecting children in vehicles requires more than just seatbelts. Child occupant protection focuses on how well a vehicle can safeguard its youngest passengers in a crash. Special considerations are taken such as child-size crash test dummies and the use of child restraint systems during testing. One prominent case was the 2021 crash of Hyundai Creta in global NCAP. The vehicle received a 3-star rating for adult protection but fared better for child occupant safety, scoring 4 stars. This was largely due to the vehicle's ISOFIX anchorage points, which securely held child seats in place. This test also highlighted the importance of rear-facing child seats, which provided better protection for the head and neck in frontal crashes. A key feature in child occupant protection is the latch. This system allows child car seats to be securely installed without using seat belts, reducing the risk of improper installation. Studies have shown that properly installed child car seats reduce the risk of fatal injury by 71% for infants and 54% for toddlers in passenger vehicles. But it's not just about using the right car seat. It's also about where you place it. Studies have shown that children seated in the rear middle seat are 43% safer than those seated at the back left or right due to the reduced risk of side impacts. Additionally, modern vehicles are equipped with side airbags that extend to the rear seats as well, offering added protection for child passengers. This was evident in the 2020 crash involving a Ford Explorer, where rear seat side airbags prevented serious injuries to a toddler during a rollover incident. So, protecting children in vehicles goes beyond just a seatbelt. It's about the right equipment and choosing a vehicle designed with their safety in mind. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more contents, and don't miss our next video.